great condition, drives awesome. Would be a great out west car. Something that can get through the snow in the north. Awesome ride. It is a white with a tan interior, leather. Awesome condition. Got the back end. Then we'll go ahead and jump up here and show you the clusters. Runs great, drives great. It's a lot of fun. Heat AC works. Go ahead and shut this up. All right, let's go ahead, look under the hood, put it on the lift, and take it for a spin. Hey, Al.
Hey, Mark. Kind of wild having to have the heat on.
Yeah, right.
But dang, is it cold out there or what?
Nice ride we got here.
Yeah, so we got a 1996, 142,851 actual miles. I have the actual title that was issued on this truck when it was bought brand new. It's always been in Florida. Oh, that heat feels good. I drove this car a couple days ago when the guy brought it for consignment. The air conditioning does work great, but it's only like 49 degrees outside right now. So I thought we'd take it for a little spin, and then you can show people underneath what it looks like.
That sounds
She
great.
goes ahead and shifts out really nice and goes down the road nice and straight. Speedometer, tachometer, gas gauge, cool gauge, all works really good. I'm really not sure how to work that radio, but you being a young guy, I'm sure can figure it out.
Yep.
But you got a little bit of an aggressive tire on it, so you get a little bit of the road noise because of nice aggressive tire. But look how nice and straight she goes down. There's no wobbling in the steering wheel or anything like that.
No.
The steering wheel's nice and straight.
Perfect.
So I'll spin her around and we'll put her on the hoist and let you see what the bottom looks like.
Excellent.
All right.
Thank you. All right, got the Bronco up on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. See how great and well done this lift is, and the shocks and everything like that. Amazing condition. Super clean. As you can see, it drives awesome. Swing around right here. Sorry, it's really windy today. Great looking ride. Absolutely beautiful. If you have any questions, concerns, let us know. Give us a call, shoot us an email. Thanks for stopping by, and hope everybody's doing well.